Right there, just hop behind on that, by the way. See the screws there? I didn't do a risk assessment. Look at that. There you go, there's the hand, look at that. Another injury to the mighty WSH hand. Never mind. This is what we do. Look, see that there? We've marked that at 2.5 and 3 feet. We're hammering it in, and this is only going to be a 4 feet high fence, right? Oh, and firstly, hello to Scott Stevenson. We've seen him in Greg's this morning. He told me he was a lorry driver. He was in there with his wife. I don't believe him because they didn't have a York in his horn. I'm sorry. I debate, I'll question that, right? But never mind. I want you to take a look about here. And this is us this morning for 4 posts, what we've done. We've took this out, took all that concrete out, right? We're putting this rail on. There's all the tools. Look at the tools we've got lying about. Quick cuts, reciprocating saws, chainsaws, concrete breakers. Here the concrete breakers are the way back to the van. The two of them way back to the van. So this a wee message for you though. The big storm at the weekend on Friday. I understand yous all. I can understand yous all. Lying with your friends in your garden and it's waving at you. I can't help it because I already pre-arranged what to do with people. But what I will say is this. Be patient and I will get to you. But, I'm quite honest with you, this is what you get from me. All the cowboys will be about with a barra and a shovel now. That's what they'll be doing fences with. They'll be walking about with a barra and a shovel. Look about you and see what's here, right? Scissors, spades, specialist pinches, everything to do with it. We don't waste, no stone unturned with us. We do it correctly. That'll be broken up yet again, put back in there with magic mix concrete. So all I'm saying to you is this. I'll know if I come and see you, when I do, God knows when, because I'm inundated, but I've got to keep the wheels of industry going. Because if they don't go, the belly doesn't go round. You know, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But this is what you get. So everybody's contacted us over the weekend. We're getting back to you with messages on Messenger, on Facebook, texting you, Valerie's phoning you or whatever. We'll know like he's doing. We'll come and see you eventually. We'll all give you a costing. But you'll need to wait 4 to 6 months. I'm just going to be bluntly honest. It doesn't matter what you say a day, 4 to 6 months. I'm being honest with you. Can't do any more than I'm saying. But take a look, think, and don't throw your money away twice. So before we go, that's Sayre, by the way, right? That's Sayre, look at that. What do you think I'll get for that? 1,300? But never mind. It's bringing a tear to everybody's eye that's following it, so it is. Neil's brought a tear to his eye, and he's no got glassine, by the way. No, I glassine, that's right. Okay, see you later, folks.